Hello YouTube friends. Well, as you know, I've been hitting the sales, so here is another unboxing, and let's just get into it. So this came from Coach, and I started to try and cut it open, but I didn't succeed all the way. Let's see. There we go. I'm glad this came in a box. I've seen some people get these in one of those padded envelopes. Yay! It's all factory wrapped. Okay. So, the background color is a hint as to what this is. Can you tell? It is the Swinger bag in candy pink and glove tan leather. So here is the item number here and the description: glove tan leather Swinger chain in candy pink. And I got this for an incredible deal. I think it was already in the reserve section of the outlet for, I think it was already 60% off, and then I got another 15%, and then I had some Rakuten cash back, so it was very reasonable. Oh, that is pretty. It's so hard to tell on other people's videos what color this is, and it's not even coming across right on my video. It's really like a pretty just a light carnation pink. It's not as bright or as deep as it looked. Original glove tan leather. The leather is very soft, very nice. And then this is what made me hesitate to buy a Swinger all this time, because I thought this might annoy me having to kind of lock it up. Let's see if it's as annoying as it looks. No, it's not bad. It's just a little turn lock. And if you don't want to lock it, you could just leave it. But it might make a sound. So here's a little hang tag. That's about, see how the color looks right now? That's the color of the bag. It's just like a really pretty peachy baby pink. So it's not obnoxiously bright. I'm not a pink bag girl, but for some reason the combination of this with the gold, it looked so pretty, or the brass I should say. Make sure, yeah. So let me cut off this part. So what this comes with, I'm sure you've seen the videos, but it comes with two straps. So you've got the long, you have the long strap with the rivets. That's really cute. I like that. Just a thin strap with the brass hardware. And then inside the bag, hopefully, oh, there it is, you have a chain strap. And this is what really sold me on it. I thought, oh, I want this chain strap because it has the same colors of the bag in the little chains. Isn't that cute? And it says Coach on the side. Very cute. So these little leather bits match the bag. Let's see what, oh, yes, it came with a dust bag. Thank goodness. Let me pull this out of here and look at the inside. Not a whole lot to this bag, which is great because, I don't know, maybe it's because it's summertime. I'm kind of gravitating towards smaller bags. And a lot of the bags, oh, here's the little Coach Care. A lot of the bags that I've sold recently have been bigger bags because I'm just not using them. And when you have as many bags as me and you live in a small house, it's really hard to find storage. So you've got that 1941 canvas lining. There's a good view of it. And no pockets inside. It's just a big open space. But this is a really nice size. I think it's going to be, I'll have to measure it in just a second next to my Fossil Jolie crossbody because I love the size of that thing. Okay, a million wrappings, but let me put on the chain strap because, so a lot of times people will wear this hanging down and use the regular strap. You've got the little 1941 marks. I probably have this upside down right now, but I don't care. So So a lot of times they'll have both straps on. So they'll have the crossbody strap and then use this. But this could also be a cute little grab and go shoulder bag. So here's the Jolie. Let's see. I was hoping it would be about the same size. Here's the Fossil Jolie crossbody. Same deal. You've got a short strap and a long strap. And I bought it because I really like the size. Yeah, it's really similar. Here's the Jolie and here's the Swinger. I think the Jolie is a little, just a smidge longer. But width-wise, the Coach wins. That is really nice. I like this. I think I'll get a lot of use out of it, even though it is pink, and I'm not a pink girl, but let's see what it looks like with both straps. So let's see. This is the front. I'll put this one on here. This one on here. So you can wear it like that with a little accent chain hanging down. That is very cute. Well, I'm going to give this lots of love over the summer, especially because I notice in fashion and everything, pink is really in. Maybe it's because of the new Barbie movie coming out. I don't know. But here's the original price. Was $350 US. And there's the code again. So it was originally $350. I think after all the sales and discounts, I got it around $100. So it was a really good deal. And I got tired of seeing them pop up on the outlet all the time. I felt bad. I wanted to buy one. It's got a little, just a little wrinkle right there. But that's no big deal because it's real leather. Who cares? It's really nice and soft. I love their glove tan leather. And this one has a little bit of a sheen to it, which is extra pretty. And here's the side. Bottom doesn't have any feet. Original glove tan leather. And the other side. And the back is just plain. Very cute. I am definitely going to wear this a lot. Well, I hope you liked this quick unboxing video of my Coach Swinger bag with the chain accent. Hey guys, I just wanted to give a little update on this with a little resin strap that I got from Amazon that I've added, and it's really cute. The color is not a perfect match to the candy pink of the Swinger, but it's pretty close. It kind of would be between this color and this color. But if you're interested, it's a really cute shoulder strap, and it has little gold accents, and the brand is Charjance's Wedding Accessories. I'll put the link below, but it was only $9.99, and I know everyone's going crazy over the Coach resin straps, and I knew that wasn't something I would wear often, but I would like to have something like that just to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. So I got this one for $9.99. It's really cute. It's it only was available in this color way, but very cute. It looked cute on lots of different bags, and I like the kind of matte finish on the resin for the colored parts, and then the mix of gold is really pretty too. And the gold links are not metal, they're just alloy coated plastic or resin, so hopefully it'll last for a little while. But I thought that was a cute addition, and I just still keep the gold chain on there as well. Just flip it over. There you go. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next